Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix ITV Hub black screen fixes for apps, TV and network issues. Fix 1. Force close and restart the app. You just have to press the home button on your remote or device to access the ITVX app. Open the recent app or task manager menu on your device. Highlight the ITVX app and select close or force stop. Relaunch the app to check if the video loads. Fix 2. Clear the app cache and data. On Fire TV or Fire Sticks, go to Settings Application. Then select Manage Installed Application, scroll down and click on ITVX. Then you have to click on Clear Cache, then Clear Data. On your Android TV or Google TV, go to Settings, Apps, select All Apps, then select ITVX from the list and click on the Clear Cache and confirm. On Roku, highlight the ITVX channel on your home screen. You just have to press the asterisk button on your remote and select Remove Channel and confirm. Then you have to restart your Roku, then reinstall the channel from the streaming store. Fix 3. Power cycle your device and router. Turn off your TV or a streaming device. Unplug the power cable directly from the wall socket. Unplug your internet router or modem. Wait for exactly 60 seconds and plug the router back in and wait for internet light to turn green. And plug your TV back in, turn it on and try the app again. Fix 4. Check for updates. Update the ITVX app. Open your device app store like Google Play Store, Amazon App Store. Search for ITVX. If any update button is available, you just have to click it. Update device firmware. Navigate to setting menu on your TV or streaming device. Choose system or about option from the menu. Thanks for watching.